Hello and welcome. In this video, we will review another problem. In this problem, we have two boxes. Box 1 contains 3 red and 2 blue marbles, whereas box 2 contains 2 red and 8 blue marbles. A fair coin is tossed. If the coin turns up heads, a marble is chosen from box 1. If it turns up tails, a marble is chosen from box 2. And we want to find the probability that a red marble is chosen. Now, the number of elements in box 1 is 5, whereas there are 10 elements in box 2. Our sample space consists of box 1 and 2, where each box contains marbles. How do we decide from which box we will pick the marble? This information is provided to us that we will toss a coin. If it turns out heads, we'll pick box 1, and if it turns out tails, we'll pick from box 2. Now, we are also provided with the information that the coin is fair, which means that the probability of heads or tails turning up is the same. This means that the probability of picking from box 1 and from box 2 is also the same, which is 1 by 2 or 0.5. In this example, we are interested in the event that a red marble is chosen, and we denote this event with letter R. Previously, we have discussed Theorem 10, which states that if an event must result in one of the mutually exclusive events A sub 1 to A sub n, then the probability of A is equal to the sum of the product of the probability of A sub 1 times the probability of A, given that A sub 1 has occurred. So in this example, we can use Theorem 10 to write the probability of picking a red marble, which is equal to the probability of selecting box 1 times the probability of picking a red marble, given that we have selected box 1, plus the probability of selecting box 2 times the probability of picking a red marble, given that we have selected box 2. Now, the probabilities of picking box 1 or box 2 are the same, which is 0.5. If we select marble from box 1, then there are 3 possibilities of picking a red marble from 5, and in box 2, there are 2 possibilities from 10. So plugging these numbers, we get the probability that a red marble is chosen is 2 by 5. In the next video, we will cover another variation of this problem. Please subscribe, share, and like this video. Thanks for watching, and see you all in the next video.